Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove reference code on Shein. First of all, open up the Shein.com official website. To start, log in to your Shein.com account. Then click on your profile icon to view your username. And click on your profile option and it will navigate to the profile dashboard. In the left panel, scroll down until you find the Share and Earn option. Here, you will locate your reference code. Simply copy it. Unfortunately, there's no option to delete it. Now, you might wonder why you would want to delete it. The truth is, this code allows you to earn coupons and rewards. It's a win-win situation, so feel free to share it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. When your friends use your code during registration, they get a 10% discount, and you earn rewards. Additionally, if you forgot to share your code during the sign-up process, no worries. In your dashboard, there's an option under Other Services known as My Reference. Then enter a reference code. Use the code from a brand ambassador or the one I showed you earlier. Tap on Update and you will receive your 10% discount. Remember, there's no way to delete your code on Shein.com because the idea is to use it to your advantage. If you choose not to use it, that's entirely up to you. Thank you very much for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.